Alright everyone, settle down. Today, we're diving into the world of Scratch Junior. Have any of you heard of it before?
Yes.
Fantastic. For those who haven't, Scratch Junior is a visual programming language that lets you create all sorts of cool projects through coding. No typing needed, just dragging and dropping colorful blocks. It's like building with digital Lego.
Scratch Junior is a visual programming language that allows you to create and express your ideas through coding.
So like we can make games and stuff.
Absolutely. You can make games, stories, animations, you name it. The only limit is your imagination. Let's start by taking a look at the Scratch Junior interface. Follow along on your devices, everyone. What do you see on your screens?
There's a stage where you can see the characters and backgrounds.
Exactly. And what about the characters?
They're like little sprites that you can control.
Spot on. And lastly, what's in the blocks palette?
It's filled with different blocks that we can use to tell the characters what to do.
Now, to create your first project, click on the plus button to start a new project. Now, choose a background that fits your project. What backgrounds did you choose?
I picked the cityscape because my story is set in a bustling metropolis.
Excellent choice. And what about characters?
I went with the animal characters because I want to tell a story about a journey through the jungle.
Sounds exciting. Now, let's give those characters some instructions using the coding blocks. Remember, you can make your characters move, talk, and even change appearance using costumes. Sound effects can really bring your project to life. Let's give it a try. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and get creative. There are no wrong answers in Scratch Junior.